Hello. So today we are going to be working on our letter home. So if this page does not look like the one you have on in your work packet, then you should probably refer to the other video because I sent home two different letter homes to different students. So, or you can watch this as well, but the other one may be more appropriate. But if your paper, your letter home looks like the one on the screen, then you are on the right video. We're going to be writing a letter today um, summarizing what you read this week. All right, so I'll be writing it with you, and you can pause the video if you need more time. You can work at your own pace. You can copy what I write. You can write ideas of your own. It's up to you. So we're going to be going over a few things. We're going to be going over the title of the newspaper, the people in the newspaper, a place in the newspaper. This one is usually from our cooking class, the things that we cook, but because we are not in school, unfortunately, we are not cooking, so that we don't have to fill this out. We are going to be discussing the 4 new words that we learned um, this week. You're going to be writing about your favorite part of the paper and why. So those are the parts of your letter home, and then you're going to sign your name. So you should have this paper out in front of you while I work with you. All right. We're gonna start with dear. So you are welcome to write this to whoever you like. Usually at school we write it to mom, but if you want, you can write the letter to me. You can write the letter to Mr. Rolota or Miss Julia or Mr. Restrepo, Mr. Luan, Miss Lanisha. All these people, anyone, you can write to. You can write it to your mom, your sister, your brother, your dad, your cousins, whoever you want to write to talk about what we learned this week. So let's start over here. This says, this week, the title of the newspaper was, do you remember the title of the newspaper? If you don't remember, you can look back on the article in your work packet to see what the title was. If you want, you can pause the video to check that out, and I'm going to write the answer when you come back. So the title was Coronavirus. All right, so that was the title of the newspaper that we read this week, Coronavirus. The next sentence says, the person in the news was who? So we read about a lot of people, but the person that we're going to put in this letter home is the person that we talked about in our webbing page. So if you want to refer to the webbing page, which were the boxes that had the what, who, where, when, and why, you can see that the person there was, who was the person there? So if you want to pause and refer back to the webbing page, you can. I will write the answer here. The person in the news was, oopsies, sorry about that, a doctor. We can also write nurses, people. Lots of people were talked about in the article. This one shows a picture of the world. I learned about a place called the, and so if you look at our webbing page, or if you look at our vocabulary page, you will see that we've been talking about a place called what? We've mentioned it several times, so go back and refer to your pages while I write the answer here. I learned about a place called the world. For recipe, we didn't make anything as a class, but maybe you made something at home. Maybe you helped make a meal. Maybe you helped make a dessert, or you just helped make a snack. Any of those things are great. You are more than free to write that in here. For example, you can say, we made a sandwich. We made some popcorn. Any of those, totally appropriate. I'm going to skip that for now because that's not something that we made as a class, but you can think of something with your family that you might have helped make and fill that in there. Sorry about that. Let's go down. So the next one is words. I learned 4 new words. So what are the 4 new words that we learned this week? If you don't remember, which is okay, you can refer back to your vocabulary page or your definitions page, and those will tell you the 4 new words that we learned today. So while you're doing that, I will write the answers. The 4 new words that we learned is coronavirus, world, stop, and spread. So we learned 4 new words: coronavirus, world, stop, and spread. And so this would be a good time for you to go back and review your words. You can watch the video that we had with the vocabulary words that's in the beginning of the slide, or you can talk to your family about this. Our last question asks, my favorite part of the paper was blank because blank. And so unfortunately, we do not have a recipe and we did not read our joke, but we can do this part together and say that the favorite part of the paper was the story because it was interesting. This is kind of a simple sentence, but if you found it interesting, great. If you didn't, you can write something else. My favorite part of this paper was the story because I liked the way, I liked learning about the new disease. Or actually, let's change that up. Let's make it a little more. Let's change it up a little. My favorite part of this paper was the story because I liked learning about the coronavirus. If this is not true for you and you're like, I did not like learning about the coronavirus, that's okay. You can change the sentence however you like. But I think this is a good sentence to start with if you do like it. So it says, once again, my favorite part of this paper was the story because I like learning about the coronavirus. And that's our last sentence of our letter. So one more time, we're going to go up. Oopsie, sorry about that. We're going to go up and we're going to quickly go over our letter. So it says, Dear Mom, this week, the title of the newspaper was Coronavirus. The person in the news was a doctor. I learned about a place called the world. I learned 4 new words: coronavirus, world, stop, and spread. My favorite part of the paper was the story because I like learning about the coronavirus. And you're going to write from, and you're going to put in here your name. And there you go. That is your letter home.